So hey everybody, it's TR, and I'm back with another edition of On the Road from the Cockpit, except obviously I'm not in the cockpit today. So the photography club at the RV resort I spend my winters at went to the HF Coors company and toured the dinnerware plant, and we just had a great time. It was an amazing tour. We got right up and close, personal. I mean, I took a big long lens expecting to have to shoot long shots and be behind bars and gates and all kinds of things. No, they just wandered us right through the factory, and we got an amazing up close and personal tour of the HF Coors Dinnerware company.
My job at this factory is a little bit different than everybody else's job because all my pieces have to be done individually, where everybody else can either fit a piece off of a mold or run it through a press and make separate pieces that they like, have to do more complex things, and make molds split casting with liquid clay instead of hard clay. So what I do in the morning, all my digs and stuff, I come in, I check my tank, and my tank has to be just right. This slip has to be a certain viscosity for me to be able to put it in the mold. After I put it in the mold, I have to let it sit for a certain amount of time, generally 25 minutes to an hour. Every mold is a little bit different in what. I've got it down to a science where I know what's what.
waterfall type thing right here. By the time they get to her, they're dry enough to put on the conveyor belt and be checked again for any kind of rust.
You know, I had driven by this place probably 15 or 20 times. There's a Goodwill over there, and if you watch my channel, you know I love hitting the discount stores or the secondhand stores. But there's a Goodwill in that area, and then Costco's kind of close over there too. So sometimes if I want to go downtown, I'll take this route to take me back into downtown Tucson. And I had driven by this place forever, and I just thought it was one of those painted places, you know. I didn't realize there was a whole factory tucked in behind the front of this building, which is pretty nondescript. You'll see from some of the photos that they're trying to decide on how to paint the building. It looks like it's time to paint the building and make it more noticeable. It was an amazing trip. We had a blast. There were 10 of us on the trip, and we got to spend an hour, almost 2 hours, in the factory. Lots more to come from around Tucson this winter. We're going to be headed out to the Tucson Mountain Park. We'll be headed over Saguaro East and West. That's Saguaro National Park. We'll also head up maybe on A Hill, which is a pretty famous landmark here in Tucson. I have plans to head down to the Buenos Aires Wildlife Refuge after the first of the year, so we'll be taking you along on that trip. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do all those social things. Getting those thumbs up really helps me a lot. But for now, it's time to go. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Until we get together for another trip,